Hello children. Today we shall complete our lesson of two-digit numbers. Shall we continue? With continuation of our previous video, today we are going to learn ascending and descending order. What is ascending and what is descending order? Ascending order is from small to big and descending order is from big to small. To understand better, we shall do the exercise. The first one here, ring the biggest number in blue and the smallest number in red. Before I start off with coloring or circling it with pen, I want you all to do it with your color pencils or sketch pen, children. And after this, you shall be writing in your pencils. You shall not use pen to write. I am using the pen just for the visibility, clarity of writing. Okay? So shall we continue? In first one, here we have to ring the biggest number in blue. Out of the given numbers in set A, which is the biggest number. So the biggest number is 86, which we will be circling or we shall ring it with blue. 86 is biggest and the smallest number in red. So there is one single digit number 9. We shall circle it with red. The next one. In the next box, which is the biggest number, it is 93. We shall circle it with blue. And the smallest number is 17. We shall circle it with red. The next one. Rewrite the numbers, start from the smallest and finish with the biggest. Now we are supposed to write numbers starting from small to big. The first one, 35, 43, 22. It says we have to rewrite the numbers starting from the smallest and finish it with the biggest. So of these three numbers, 22 is the smallest. We shall write 22. 35. 43 is the biggest. The next one, 9, 17, 56. 28. Good. Then 55, 63, 79. This is called the ascending order of numbers, wherein we had started off writing from smallest number to the biggest. In each case, you can see that we have written numbers from small to moved forward towards biggest. So this is called as ascending order. The next one. Start from the biggest and finish with smallest. Now we are going to do the opposite way, wherein we shall be writing the biggest number first, 73, 55, 42. Here, 51, 45, 12. 77, 62, 33, 18. So this process is called as the descending order of numbers, wherein we start from the biggest number and continue till the smallest numbers. We shall finish this exercise now. Arrange in ascending order. That means ascending is from smallest to biggest. 13, 31, 43. Arrange in ascending order. Smallest 13, 31, biggest is 43. The next, 40, 64, 34. 34, 40, 64. 56, 19, 48, 63. 19, 48, 56, 63. So this is we climb the steps, small to big. Now it is the opposite way, which is called as descending order. Big to small. We are getting down from the steps. Big to small. 86, 80, 18. 45, 34, 9. 93, 48, 17, again 9. So this is called as descending order. Shall we turn the page, children? This is almost the conclusion part, wherein we are going to warm up with the lesson that we have done. The first one, how many tens and ones in these numbers? Write the number and the number name. We have to count how many tens are there and how many ones, and write the numeral number here and its number name. Shall we continue? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 necklaces with 10 beads each. So this becomes 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ones. That becomes number 58. So we write it as F-I-F-T-Y 50 E-I-G-H-T 58. The next one is on the abacus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. The number becomes 74. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70 F-O-U-R 4. The next main says, fill in the correct symbol greater, smaller or equal to. 13 and 16. So 13 is smaller. The left hand just like this symbol. So 13 is smaller than 16. The next one, 8 is smaller or greater than 78. Of course, 8 is smaller than 78. 68 and 68. 68 is equal to 68. The last one, 31 and 41. 31 is smaller than 41. The next main, write the numbers that come before and after. What comes before is front. What comes after is what comes before is backward. What comes after is forward. So 89, what comes before 89 is 88. 89, after 89, 90. The next one, 47, before comes 46. 47, 48. 66, before that 65, after it 67. Before 50, 49, 50, 51. Write the number that comes between. Now between numbers we have to find out. 81, 82, the continuous numbers are the between numbers. 59, 60, 61, 70, 71, 72, 98, 99, 100. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. We have to arrange it in ascending order, which will be from smaller to bigger, and descending is from bigger to smaller. Shall we start? 45, 54, 90, 60. So the first smallest number of these 4 digits comes 45. Then 54, 66, 90. Descending order. The opposite of ascending order. So it will be bigger to smaller. 90, 66, 54, 45. Then comes 70, 80, 78, 87. The least or smallest number is 70, 78, 80, 87. 87, this is a decreasing order. 87, 80, 78, 70. The next main, which number has 7 tens and 6 ones? So the number will be written as 76. This has 7 tens, 6 ones. Which number has 9 tens and 0 ones? 90. Good. Is 63 greater than 65? Is it, children? Is 63 greater? No. No. 63 is smaller, right? Yes. Smaller than 65. Which is a number just before 100? What comes before, backward of 100 is 99. Which is a number between 58 and 60? 58-60. So 58, 59, 60. The next page. This is the final page of the lesson. So shall we start? Circle the correct number in each box. We have to circle the correct number. It says here 21 is smaller than 11. No. 12. No. So 32 is the right answer. 21 is smaller than 32. Circle 32. The next one. 99 is less than 100. 88 is less than 99. Then, now we have to fill in the blanks with more than or less than or equal to in the blank. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4 is bigger than 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is equal to, 8 is equal to 8. The next one, Sushma's teacher asked her to compare two two-digit numbers. That means not one, but there are two two-digit numbers. But she did not tell Sushma the numbers. The teacher did not tell Sushma which are those numbers. The teacher said, the first number has 6 tens and the second number has 5 tens. Which number is greater, the first or the second? We shall try solving this with the help of a few workout, okay? Let us understand the question once again, children. Here the teacher asks Sushma to write two two-digit numbers. So if there are two two-digit numbers, that means there is 1 tens and 1 ones. So this is 1 digit. So this is the second digit. And she says the first number has 6 tens. So if this is the first number, the teacher says that it has 6 tens. And she doesn't mention anything for ones. So we consider it to be 0. And the second digit has 5 tens. Here it is 5 tens. Since she doesn't mention ones here as well, we consider it to be 0. Now the teacher asks which number is greater. The first number is 60. The second number is 50. So the teacher asks which number is greater, the first or the second. So it is the first number. Number 60 is bigger or greater than number 50. So this is the first number which is greater than the second number. Shall we write it in our textbook, children? We shall write it as the first number is greater, full stop. In bracket, we will write the first number is 60, which is bigger than second number as 50. The next one. Sanju is 34 years old and Manju is 43 years old. Who is younger? Is 34 younger or 43? Yes, it is 34. Who is younger? Sanju is younger. The next one. Is the number of the fingers in one hand even or odd? This is my right hand, and how many fingers do I have? Count in yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is an odd number. So we have odd numbered fingers in our one hand. Is the total number of fingers in both your hands even or odd? Shall we count? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is yes, it is an even number. So we have even number of fingers in both our hands. The next one. 4 children got the following marks out of 100 in a maths test. Sam 78, Sheila 82, Krish 69 and Salma 88. Fill in the names of the students and their marks according to their rank. So this will be like bigger to smaller, wherein the first rank gets the highest marks. The last rank, fourth rank, goes to the least marks. So this is descending order. Here who got the highest marks? It is Salma with 88. So we write the name here, Salma, and her marks here 88. Then comes Sheila, SHEILA, 82 marks. Then comes Sam with 78 marks, and finally Krish with 69 marks. So by this we have finished our lesson, children. In our next video, we shall continue with a new lesson. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.